So here we are, video 1, part 1, kickoff of the series. Today's main objective is going to be to disassemble the Lamborghini as much as possible. As I showed you guys in the first video, the big kicker, the big sweet spot about this body kit is that it is a fender replacement of everything. So we have absolutely zero cutting, which means step 1 is to take off every body panel on the car except the doors and the roof and the engine hatch. Everything else gets ripped off. Let's get to work.
As you can see, rear bumper's off, side skirts were off. Next thing we believe
Is the hard part, baby. I'm nervous.
it's not that bad.
I'm nervous.
I don't think it's that bad.
So at this point in the video, you're like, damn, I didn't know they were Lambo techs.
We're not.
We're just gonna guess.
We're gonna bring the other panel and see where the bolts are.
Piece
Gone.
right here.
Not allowed to be there.
Not sure how many bolts there are. Check this out. Let me just, you guys have been watching time lapses this whole time. Check this out.
Don't lose any of them.
Maybe like 200 pieces of hardware. As you guys know, the secret to disassembly and reassembly is bagging your hardware. Every single piece we pull off, every piece, no matter if it's 1 bolt or 2 bolts, if it is to a specific piece and a specific location, you bag it and you ride on it. We're gonna slowly just
Throw it in the bag.
tear apart this fender and
Throw it in
hopefully
the
it comes
bag.
off.
Just throw it in the bag. They don't know that. They're too young. Our viewers are too young, Tej.
So our method for this is we're gonna be transferring over all the brackets off the rear quarter panel. As we do this, we don't get confused. What I mean by that is there's a plastic bracket here, you got metal brackets here. Here's your prime example. Here's a metal bracket that's just bolted onto the rear quarter panel. We're gonna start disassembling those pieces and then immediately transfer it over to the locations on the new quarter panel so we don't get anything confused or mixed up. Hopefully by doing this, it helps eliminate any confusion and makes a cleaner and more simple reinstallation. All right, I'm gonna transfer it over. I'm probably gonna have to drill a hole. I can already see it. Look, yeah, see it?
Oh, Dad.
So that piece has to have You could, but I think that's the alignment, you know?
I don't think so.
Put it up again?
I think you'll have this much play. Like, that's okay. We'll jiggle it around.
I can drill it in 2 seconds.
Drill
We
a hole.
ultimately decided just to rip it off.
Rip it off.
Probably was a mistake.
Probably not.
Probably will regret that later.
Probably not.
Hopefully not.
Probably not.
Hopefully not.
Probably not. We won't. TJ, once it's in, you're not gonna worry about if it has a plastic nib or not, okay?
Well, first transformation piece complete.
We've taken off a bunch of things, and again, the goal here is to end up taking apart all of the bits from the Lambo and putting it on here. Because as we go through, the more holes we fill up on here, the closer we are to getting that removed. So far we have this right here, we have 3 of these bolts here, and we're investigating what this is, that hole right there, and what these holes are right here. Fun fact, I stream here on YouTube and Twitch. Say hello to the chat. If you want to be a part of the live streams while we're working on this car or any other car, follow me here on YouTube. Links in the description if TJ remembers.
Whoa, whoa.
Oh, whoa.
Yeah,
It
does come off.
Take her off, bud.
That's scary, dude.
Yeah, I don't like that. You wanna Pry tool? No, if you look at this.
I'm looking at the underside here.
Oh, it's clipped here. One clip here.
Yeah, that's it. I'm stuck.
There's another clip there.
Took a lot of tugging and pulling, but that finally came out. And that opened up a lot more bolts for us and more brackets. Don't know how farther back all this stuff goes, but hopefully this kind of frees up most of the quarter panel. Not comparison, but let's make sure we didn't miss, like this prong, we need to put back. Well, that only took Calvin and I 3 hours to remove this rear panel. Calvin spent a lot of time getting out all these bolts in the middle that there's like pretty much zero room to see. What do you say, Cal? Do we put it on right now?
I guess so. Like, I really do want to see it wide-bodied a little bit.
It'll be cool because we'll be able to see left versus right.
And I think TJ has a good point he was saying behind the camera. While the whole plan was to take it fully stripped and then put everything on. But since we're here and it's close to the end of our day, we should put that on while it's fresh.
And if we had the car completely disassembled and we were to start fresh, we would start with the rear quarter panels first.
Anyway.
So while we already have the rear off and the left side skirt off, I think we're gonna go ahead and try to just put this on. And I think we just both wanna see it regardless. Dude.
I don't even need to, I already see it. Like, I don't even need to look at the other side.
Okay, so that's our stock body, and this is loosely fitted wide body.
How much is that, 50 mil?
I don't know how much wider the kit is.
Oh, dude, that's a lot. It is.
Dude, but it's like deceiving though, because it's molded like this, like it doesn't look wider, and then you see the stock and you're like, oh, yeah, okay. Much wider. Holy
5
moly.
hours of work, dude. Feels good, man.
So now Calvin and I have like 30 something bolts to put in to make it sit right.
Do we put on a side skirt?
I don't know, I was thinking about that too. This needs to fit though to put in the side skirt.
Just put on a side skirt.
Let me look, there's still quite a amount of.
No, because that's the bolt that.
I know, there's a lot of gapping.
Look at that, wait, hold up.
Yeah, this fitment so far looks pretty good. Let's put some more bolts in and we'll catch up with you guys in about 10 minutes. No, I honestly wouldn't touch any of that because this one. So this is gonna be our stopping point for today. This was about 8 hours to remove everything we did and put this piece on. There's still little things we're not 100% sure of, like the way we have it sitting right now. There's kind of a lip here, which on the stock body there isn't, it's flush. We're not sure if the kit's supposed to be like that. Calvin did a really good job aligning the door to the fender, so like these are sitting 100% flush. This gapping is perfect. We're gonna get the gapping as close as possible, but having it be perfect at this point in the game isn't our goal just yet, because we still have to body work it and then it has to get painted and then it goes in for final adjustments. But looking pretty promising. You're starting to see a little bit of the width here. Sabrina's just stretching naturally in the background. But this is the new side vent that is introduced to the car. And then we have a new side skirt that comes in right here when that gets introduced. That's gonna do it for this video. We will see you guys in 2 days with our next update of our progress. Sabrina?
What?
Okay, she's a little special. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I will see you guys very, very soon. If you haven't done it yet, comment what color we should make this car, because I just don't know what to do yet. I'm seeing a lot of back and forth. That's a beautiful color. Oh, that's so, dude, next 5M, need it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you very, very soon. Peace out and keep moving forward.